3-month-old baby development, part of Baby Pillars online course.
Hello, and welcome to another Baby Pillars tutorial. In this video, we will focus on and learn how to improve your baby's ability to lay on their tummy and lift their head, how to teach your baby to move continuously in space, activating your baby's balancing system and regulating muscle tone, and improving movement in your baby's back, chest, and spine. Your baby's development stems from their ability to lay on all sides of their body. This ability will help your baby at each stage of development during their first years. For them to feel comfortable on their sides, it's important you help your baby feel safe and flexible so they can release any unnecessary tension that is built up in their body. In this video, our baby experiences continued movement in space, and this movement is what develops our baby's balancing system, the toning of their muscles, and more. All skills that lead to laying on the stomach comfortably and lifting their head with confidence. A physical ball can act as a great tool for relieving your baby's tension, to calm muscles, and to work on flexibility in the back, chest, and spine. Rest your baby on the physical ball on their stomach facing down, and begin to move them on the ball, slightly forward, slightly backwards, left and right, slowly and gently with you positioned behind them. Make sure you hold both your baby's hands and very gently lean on them.
Baby development, part of Baby Pillars
The slight
online
weight of your
course.
body will help your baby understand that their head can rest on the ball and that they can relax their back muscles. If your infant is tired, they might even fall asleep. During the following stage, after your baby has rested their head on the ball comfortably, accompany the motion with gentle pats on your baby's back. Make sure one of your hands rests on your baby's head softly, without pressing. Your hand is only there to support your baby's head and to assure them that they can relax.
3-month-old baby development, part of Baby Pillars online course.
Be aware to keep your movement very slow, monotonous, and accompany it with your voice and touch. Be sure not to bounce the physical ball. Instead, guide your baby with very gentle and monotonous movements.